our luxury waterfront tower. Hello, good day my beautiful and my smart investors. I welcome you to this amazing property tour. So today I'm in Eko Atlantic. Yay! So I'm here to bring you one of the most juiciest offer right here in Eko Atlantic. Imagine this is 2030. You're living in a luxurious 3-bedroom or 2-bedroom apartment right here in Eko Atlantic City, and you got that apartment, the payment plan. So we have the A&A Tower over there, then we have the Phoenix Tower still in the Kaka stage over there. So we are going to do a tour into this amazing 2-bedroom located in A&A Tower. So everything you see in A&A Tower is what you will get in these other towers. We are going to check the showroom. It's a 2-bedroom with a BQ. 2-bedroom comes with a living area, the sitting area, then it comes with a sliding door that leads to the balcony. Then we have the kitchen, the masters, and one extra room. Then we also have the boys' quarter along the corridor. So this is what you get in the 2-bedroom apartment. We also have the 3-bedroom apartment. So let's begin the tour. Hello, welcome to your new apartment right here in A&A Towers, Eko Atlantic. As you can see, it's a boutique style apartment. We have the dining area here, and also we have the living room area here. So right over here you get to experience the breathtaking view of the Atlantic Ocean. So we have the kitchen area right here. You can see it's spacious and it comes fully fitted. And right over here we have the fridge, and we have the guest toilets over here. You can see that even every aspect of this house, details has been taken notes of. As you can see, everything is well finished. And yeah, so right here we have this long corridor. We have bedroom 1 right here. We have bedroom 2 right over here. Right here we have the masters. You will love this. So this is the masters, and it also comes with amazing views of the Atlantic Ocean. This is where you want to live. Welcome back. These are the possibility you can get right here in Eko Atlantic. You have the opportunity to key into the A&A Tower, the Phoenix Tower, the Phoenix Rising, and the Hive Tower. All of them are situated in Eko Atlantic. So this property are offering you down payment and flexible payment plan. So you can go as 30% with the Hive, 40% initial deposit with the finished tower and the finished rising. A&A tower is almost ready. So what you'll be paying right now for a down payment is 70%, and you can spread within 3 months. So the A&A tower will be delivered next year, while the finished tower and the finished horizon will be ready within 2 years. So just imagine it again. 2030, everything completed, you have your property, you're making money from short let, you're making money for rentals, you have a solid generational wealth that is unshakable left for your generation. I mean, your children, your grandchildren will thank you. Welcome back. So thank you for joining me on this lovely tour to the Eko Atlantic and to see this beautiful property. You know, Eko Atlantic remains one of the most iconic, the most affluent, the most exclusive city in Africa. Your Dubai in Nigeria, your Dubai in Africa. So if you want to invest now, please hurry up before the initial deposit increases and before it gets sold out. To schedule for a viewing, you know what to do. Make sure you call the numbers right away. I can't wait to get you your dream home right here in Eko Atlantic. So if you're watching my video for the first time, please don't just watch, like, comment, share, subscribe. See you at the next property tour. Bye.